There's a category of comfort food that I like to call Ree Food, and it's food that I make when there's not a kid or husband in sight. I'm home by myself and I can make whatever I want. Enter a fried red tomato sandwich. You heard me, not fried green tomatoes, fried red tomatoes. This thing is absolutely delightful. I cannot wait to make it. I am really in the mood. I just sliced 2 thick slices of a red tomato, and I'm gonna make the breading. In one bowl goes an egg, and I'll just whisk it. And for the breading, I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of cornmeal and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'll season it with salt and pepper. Then I'll use a fork and stir this together. Of course, the classic dish is fried green tomatoes, but I don't often have green tomatoes, especially in the wintertime when it's cold. Now, what I can get is kind of a lackluster, mediocre red tomato, and that's exactly what this tomato is. Even if the tomato isn't the perfect freshness, it really tastes delicious once you bread it and fry it up. So I'll take 1 slice of tomato at a time and totally coat it in the egg. And then I want to get as much of this cornmeal mixture on the outside as I possibly can. You can't get too much breading on the tomatoes, trust me. Okay, then it goes straight into an iron skillet. I've just got some vegetable oil heating over medium-high heat, and I'll get the second one breaded. Oh, that one is really going to town over there. All right, second one goes in. Now I'm gonna let these cook on the first side until they get nice and crisp. Oh, they smell so good already. Peek on the other side. It needs just a little bit more time so they're nice and golden brown. All right, I don't want these to burn, so I'm gonna be really careful about turning it over. Ooh, that looks good. And the second one, these look so great. Really rustic and old-fashioned. So while they finish on the second side, I'm gonna get the bread ready. I have very strong feelings about comfort food sandwiches. They have to have real mayonnaise, nothing fancy, no Dijon mustard. That might be a little controversial, but I think mayonnaise is all you need. Spread it out on both sides. Now I'm gonna sprinkle the mayonnaise on both slices with a little salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna check on the tomato slices. I think they are good, so I'm just gonna put them on paper towels, drain off most of the grease. Not all of it, most of it. Just stagger the slices. Does this look good or what? Now, I said I don't do any fancy ingredients when it comes to comfort food, but I do have a little fresh basil. I think it's gonna be lovely with the sandwich. Put the second half on. Oh my goodness. What a beauty. Comfort food and guilty pleasure all rolled up into one. Don't tell anybody, okay?